Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Sagittarius Sun Moon Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. And soon we are launching self-love course. Amazingly beautiful. Let's see. Sagittarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are judgment. Someone is trying their best to let go of whatever happened. Maybe they are trying to let go of you or the situation. Let me clarify this judgment. This is kind of letting go and starting from scratch. Judgment is a card of letting go and letting God. Letting go and let God. Let go and let God. Oh my God. Let's clarify the judgment here. We have the Two of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups. This is someone who feels like they're not sure whether this collaboration, this partnership is ever going to happen, but they feel like they should try one more time. They feel like they should come forward towards you with a fresh offer. So they feel like letting go of everything, whatever happened between you guys, whether there was a third party kind of a dynamic, whether there was confusion, whether there was any kind of issues going on. Now this person is feeling, even if they are not sure what's going to happen, they feel like coming forward towards you and starting from scratch. That's the deal. Hmm? And for some of you, maybe they're coming forward to, they feel like coming forward towards you with some kind of apology, with some kind of heartfelt apology of, okay, I messed up and this is what happened, something like that. We will get to know more about it when we proceed further. God, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Sajis? Okay. Hanged man. So from your side, you feel like even though you have you let go of this person, you are still stuck somewhere. You are in the surrender mode right now, but you are still feeling stuck on this situation, on this person somehow, and you're trying to see things from a different perspective, from a different angle. Let me clarify the hanged man here. We have the emperor and the nine of wands and the chariot, with a very heavy heart and with a lot of, you can say, hurt and pain. You are kind of trying your best to move on from the situation. You are still stuck energetically on something or someone, but you are trying your best to make the right choice here and keep moving ahead in your life and not looking back. Hmm. That's what you're feeling. You're feeling this energy of, okay, whatever happened. Let me take the lessons and the blessings with me and keep moving ahead in my life. Okay, that's the deal. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Nine of Cups. Okay. See, their intention here is to open up their heart towards you, open up their energies fully towards you. This is kind of a wish fulfillment for them. Their intention is to fulfill their desire, fulfill their wish in the situation. Okay, let's see what that is. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups. We have the Page of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the Three of Swords. This person wants to make up for the wrongdoings. This person wants to apologize to you, Sagittarius. This person definitely wants to be vulnerable in front of you. They want to open their heart towards you. They want to talk to you about what went wrong in the situation. Maybe there was a third party dynamics and everything went like south from north because of the interference from other people or other situation, or maybe there was a romantic third party. Whatever the case may be, this person wants to talk to you with all of their heart and soul and resolve the issue between you and them, whatever is applicable. Like resolving the issue may be like being friends only, or it can be like reconciliation proper, whatever is applicable in your case. Sometimes reconciliation is not possible, even if we want to, even if we are dying to have it, right? But this person definitely wants to open up their heart and soul towards you and be vulnerable in front of you so that you guys can at least hear them out. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Five of Swords. So from your side, you just want to get out of this mental games, this manipulations, and this stressful energy of overthinking all the time. You are feeling blocked in the situation, blocked by your own thoughts, blocked by the negativity. Okay, let me clarify the five of swords here. Just don't want to think about it. And the more you're trying to not to think, the more you are kind of thinking. We can't like we can't sometimes we can't just let something go just like that. It takes time, right? Yeah, you just want to get out of this disappointment, you just want to get out of this mental jail, you just want to get out of this feeling uh, not unworthy, feeling disappointed all the time in your love and relationship area. It's not about this person only. Whatever experiences you have gone through in your love and relationship area, you are like facing the, facing the cumulative energy of whatever you have gone through till this time in your love and relationship area, and you just want to get rid of all those memories, all those energies. You are tired, you just want to be happy, Sagittarius. All you want to be is happy and be with yourself and just take care of yourself and get rid of these not so good energies. Okay, for good. Everybody wants that, right? But you right now are suffering from this energy of I want it right now, I'm done, I'm tired. It's like a cry for help from the universe. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 6th of April, Sagittarius. This card is jumping. Knight of Pentacles, a sense of stability, a sense of feeling stuck, but since still a sense of okay, things are moving forward very, very slow, but there is going to be a sense of okay, finally. It's like Knight of Pentacles is stable and slow, actually very slow. What's happening, Baba? Okay. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles. We have the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. Okay, you are going to be struggling with two energies at the same time. It could be your energy only. One day you are going to feel very emotional, but you are going to keep it to yourself. One day you are going to feel practical, and you are going to be like, okay, let me surrender to the divine. Whatever will happen, will happen. That kind of energy. And or you are going to deal with two energies at the same time, where you are going to feel emotionally connected to one energy, and one energy is going to look very good on paper. It's like practical, stable, mature, grounded, and it's going to make you feel like, yeah, that can be it, right? But it's going to make you feel stuck. That's why we are getting the stuck energies. You are going to have a choice between two people, two energies, two things, and you are going to feel like quite stuck, and you will not be able to make up a decision or choice here. One is going to pull you towards your heart, one is going to pull you towards your head, and that's going to be difficult. Mhm. This is a very difficult choice that you have to make, but actually you are doing the right thing by being in this energy of okay, let me think about it, let me not make a choice just like that. Yeah, for you the guidance here is the King of Cups. Surround yourself with as much as love you can from all the directions of the universe. Yeah, family, friends, and siblings, and like universal love and spirituality, meditation, your own love. Surround yourself with these kind of energies that gives you this internal peace, this internal happiness, this internal energy of okay, everything is fine, everything is going to be fine, actually, right? So surround yourself with as much love you can, and find your emotional stability wherever you can. Emotional stability is very, very important in order to make life changing decisions, Sagittarius. And you're going to be presented with something that's going to make you feel like stuck, that's going to make you feel like oh my god, and what now, right? So yeah, emotional stability. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.